is our room tour. We're at the Moon Palace Grand in Cancun. We're in the 87th building and our room is 328. Come on in, I'll show you around. So as soon as you walk in, there's a little bar area. They give you a complimentary bottle of wine, some really nice glasses. And if you want to get the party started early, all of this is unlimited. You can drink as much as you want, and they'll keep filling it up, keep filling it up. You tell them what you want, and they'll just keep filling it up for you. So you just like put your cup under there, and then all the awesomeness comes out. And you have a coffee machine. You have all your coffee pods. You have snacks. Just some stuff that you need. And this is the fridge. And when you come in, there's a sticker that just says that it's been sealed and sanitized. So every day they'll fill this stuff up with juices, soda, water, beers, Corona, Michelob Ultra if you like that, and water, everything you need. And this is for ice. And your closet, plenty of room for hangers. You have an ironing board. And they have robes also, robes and slippers. Really cool. You have a safe. I know like people want to see the safe. You know, standard safe. You can keep all your stuff in there.
All our diamonds.
Yeah. And you know, you get some slippers.
Do they fit you?
Never. Look, I'll just show you for comparison. Look, it's not gonna fit. And this is the bathroom. It's not a giant bathroom, but it just works. Double vanity. You don't have to bring your hair dryer because there's a hair dryer and a straightening comb here. Straightening iron, not a comb. Okay. And
did you use it or?
No, I just let it. I was free this trip. This is the shower. Works really well. And a separate toilet or water closet. And these are the robes. Pretty comfortable. And if you come around this way, there's this little door here that separates the bedroom from the bathroom. So if you want some privacy, you have it here. And it's a big king size bed. The bed is pretty comfortable. And the headboard is really nice. This is what makes the room look very grand. It's like one piece and it's like soft here. It's like pretty solid. It's nice. You have enough drawer space for all your stuff. If you're gonna stay here for a good amount of time, it's enough space. Work area. They give you this air humidifier, and you can choose the scents you want, and then every day they'll change them for you, which is pretty cool. They give you hand sanitizer. They have masks in here.
Yeah, there was a whole kit, but we already used some of it. But there were wipes, sanitizer, a mask.
Yeah, this is the lotion that they have here, which works pretty good. Because a lot of hotels have the lotion that's not.
It's like water.
Yeah,
it's white water.
It's like creamy water. This stuff is actually pretty good. And work area. So you come over here, you step down. Giant jacuzzi for 2 people. Have this nice mirror here. And you can have breakfast here. Yesterday we did an excursion, so we had room service here, and room service is 24 hours. So whatever you want, 24 hours a day, they'll come and bring it to you.
And it's all inclusive. It's part of the all inclusive.
It's part of the all inclusive. It's not extra at all. So that's really good. And you got a huge balcony out here. So this is pretty comfortable out here. Got a lot of space, big balcony. So this is the adult pool. I believe there's 9 pools here. We haven't seen them all. I think we've probably seen 2 or 3. This is the adult pool, no kids. They have a DJ here, it's kind of chill. And if you want to just get away from the kids for a little while, if they want to get away from you and go to the kids club, you can do this and just hang out and not see kids for a little while, if that's what you want. And yeah, it's really nice out here. So let's take you back. So we have an adjoining room, so I'll show you the other room. So it's the same kind of setup, just has double beds. So everything here is the same. There's no wine bottle here. And the cool thing is, this is locked. They know that this is the kids' room, so they locked this. So that's really good. Everything else is the same. Snacks, they've been eating a bunch of the snacks, and they'll fill up the juice. So yeah, there's no beers in here. I think this is the sparkling water, maybe. So juice, whatever the girls want. And at the end of the night, if you want privacy, like if you don't want anybody to knock on your door, you press privacy, they won't knock on your door. You want your bed made, you press the button before you leave, they'll make your bed. They're pretty prompt here, which is really good. Some hotels take a little longer to get your stuff done. Same thing, closet safe. They had these little baby slippers. So if you have kids, they have these really cool baby slippers. And
Kids' robes.
yeah, let me show you the robes. They have these little baby robes. Oh, where is it? Are they wearing them?
Maybe.
Oh, they're probably wearing them. So there's little baby robes. And another thing they have here, which is nice, is they have this little step.
Oh, I didn't see that.
So you know,
Aw,
it's nice.
that's so cute.
So your little kids can step up and feel like little adults. Same kind of amenities. Everything is the same here. So double beds, same situation. And when you check in, they give the kids, they call this little stuff for the beach. Little stuff like this. And also they give each room a beach bag, which comes in handy. So they give you one of these beach bags. Put all your stuff in there. And down here, they brought us some some fruits. And same big jacuzzi. And the same back. Having fun? So this is the adjoining room, so it's right next to the adult pool like we mentioned earlier. All right, thanks for watching the tour. We're gonna make a full vlog, so it's gonna be linked below. So you click on that link and you can see our full vlog of everything we did, all the restaurants, all the cool stuff we did on this trip, all right? Thanks a lot.